Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do atmospheric correction or radiometric correction of Landsat 8 image in QGIS. For any kind of land use land cover classification or land use land cover mapping, we generally used band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6 and band 7 of Landsat 8 image, and we'll select only those bands which are mainly used in land use land cover classification. So in my browse panel, one Landsat image you can see here, and I will select only band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7, these 6 band, and drag this new window. So go to layer and click here zoom to layer. So you can see here the Landsat 8 satellite image, and I have also study area. If I check this study area, you can see my study area is here. So here I want to mention that this band 2 is a blue band, band 3 is green, band 4 is red, band 5 is near infrared, and these are short wave infrared. So for atmospheric correction or radiometric correction, we need one plugin, that is this SCP plugin, that means semi-automatic classification plugin. So you should install this SCP plugin. So for that, go to plugin option, click this manage and install plugin, and simply write here semi automatic classification plugin. You can see here, select this semi automatic classification plugin, and you will see here install plugin. So we can install from here. So close this. After that installation of your SCP plugin, you can see in the menu bar SCP. Just click here and go to band set. Within the band set, you can see here this refresh list symbol. You just click here within the, and you can see here the band which I have open in my layer panel, band 2 to band 7. So all these 6 band you can see here, and this button is select all. You can simply select here, click here, so all of these 6 band will select it, and you just hit here this plus button. So all of these band will arrange within the band set 1. So after that, for radiometric correction or atmospheric correction, if I will go with the whole image, this total Landsat image, it will take time. So for reduce video length, so I will only select this study area, and I will clip the all these 6 band according to my study area, and after that I will do atmospheric correction only for this portion. And you can do the same things for the whole image according to your need. So for that, again go to this semi-automatic classification plugin, and within this pre-processing, you just click here. You can see here the clip multiple raster. So simply double click here, so new window will appear. Within this, you can see here the clip band set. Select input band set 1, because we created only one band set, that is why it's showing here 1. Use value as no data, it will be 0, and output name prefix, here it is clip. You can write any kind of name according to your need. So I'll go with this, and I will clip only my study area. For that, just click here use vector for clipping, and click this refresh button. So you can see here the study area which I have already open in my layer panel. So after that, you just click on this run button, and you should select the folder. So I will create one folder within this dem folder, and I will give this name as a clip. So select this folder and you can see the process is going on. You can see here. So process has been complete. Close this window, and within the layer panel you can see two type of band. One is simply LC08, another is clip LC08. So these are new band according to my study area. So you can see here, if I just click here and click on zoom to layer, and you can, if I will hide this, so you can see only my clipped area. So in further, no need this band. So I will remove all of this band. So you can see only clip band. Here you can see that all of these band have two number. One is minimum, one is maximum number. These are digital number or DN values. So we want to convert these digital number or digital values into surface reflectance values. So for that we'll go with radiometric correction or atmospheric correction. For that again we will go this SAP plugin. Again go to band set, and you can see here the previous set of band. So we just click this refresh list. So current band that are open in layer panel will automatically appear here, and you should remove the previous band set. Just click here and click on yes. So after that you just select all of this current band, that is clip band, by clicking here and click this plus icon. So one new band set created, and here you can see the wavelength quick setting. You should select this Landsat 8 OLI band set because this is a Landsat image. Okay, after that we should go with this Landsat. Within this pre-processing you can see the Landsat. Double click here. So again new interface will open. So here you can see directory containing Landsat bands. So we should navigate the folder where this all clip band are saved. So click here, and within this dem folder, so select this folder, and you can see the all band, clip band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you also select the MTL file, that means that text file. Just click here and go to the Landsat image where I downloaded this Landsat image. Go here. Within that you can see here the one text file is there, MTL file. Just select this MTL file and open. So now you can see the all these properties already attached with all of this band. Now you can see here this sum option is there, brightness temperature in Celsius, apply DOS 1 atmospheric correction, perform of pan sharpening, etc. So now we'll go only with atmospheric correction. For that just click here, and if you want to go with pan sharpening for improve your band, so you can go with pan sharpening. Okay, but I will not go with now. And if you want to create the virtual band as well as layer stack, you can check all of this, but I will go only with this atmospheric correction. Okay, after that just click on this run, and you should again create one band within this dem folder. I want to create new folder as a reflectance. reflectance. So select this folder, click here. So process already is going on. So process has been completed. Close this window. So here you can see the new band will appear your layer menu, and you can see the band name will RT clip. So these all are surface reflectance. So these all are radiometric or atmospheric corrected band. So here from the layer panel, select all this clip band and remove this band, because no need for further proceeding all of this clip band, and we'll go with this reflectance or atmospheric corrected band. So you can see here the values, the lower reflectance surface reflectance value and higher surface reflectance value of each band. So again you go to the SCP and click on this band set, and again you should refresh this button. So all of this current band will appear in this single band list, and remove this previous band set by clicking here, and select all of this band and click here. So all of this atmospheric corrected band will selected in the band set 1. So after that, minimize this semi-automatic classification plugin. If I want to check study area by using different color composition within the RGB, this color gun, you click on this drop down menu and select 3 to 1. So if you select 3 to 1, you can see here the virtual band, and this is a natural color composition. If you zoomed it, you can see the natural color composition image. Okay, so if you click this drop down menu and select 432, and it will be false color composition, and you can see here this red portion is a vegetation cover area, as well as these are the water bodies. So you can also create some other false color composition, that means 5, 6 or 3, and just click on enter. So you can see here the other false color composition. So now we can go for land use land cover classification. So thank you for watching, and subscribe our channel for more video. Thank you.